Hey everyone, I'm Max Manna. I'm a zero waste chef and author, and today I'm going to show you how you can reduce your food waste and make this delicious and simple zero waste oat milk. I've teamed up with Pukka and the Soil Association to help support small positive changes for our planet. Every Pukka tea is made with high quality certified organic ingredients. This is why I love choosing organic ingredients whenever and wherever, because when our food is organic, we're giving back to the planet. This is a really simple and easy zero waste oat milk. I have my oats, I have water, and I have some maple syrup. But first thing we're going to do is add our oats to a blender. And I'm going to add about 250 grams of oats. And then you're going to add 4 times the amount of water. I'm going to add my maple syrup, and then you're just gonna pop it in and you're gonna blend. So about 15 seconds of blending, and then you're gonna take a bowl, and if you have a cheesecloth, if you have a nut bag, go right ahead, or you can use an old t-shirt. So you're just gonna pour, it'll start to strain, and this is gonna take some time. Here's our leftover milk. There is a byproduct waste when making oat milk from scratch. There's oat pulp that is left over from straining the milk, and you're left with this waste. Typically that is thrown away, but today we're going to use that pulp and make a matcha chai pancake. I'm going to make a really quick pancake right now using this oat pulp. I have some self-raising wholemeal flour. Add a little bit there. Some milk. Some Pukka organic latte matcha chai, and start mixing. On a medium-high heat, I'm just going to add a few dollops of this batter to a frying pan. Use a dollop of coconut yogurt, some fresh organic blueberries, and some maple syrup. Thanks for watching. I hope my recipes have inspired you to make small, positive changes for our planet.